Welcome to Bells, your online portal for alcohol licensing in Maine. In this video, we'll show you how to create an account and get started. First, go to alcohol.maine.gov to access the system and click the Login/Register button to begin the process. Then click Sign Up Now. Next, enter your email address and click Send Verification Code. This will send a code to your email. Go to your email inbox and open the message from Bells to find your verification code. Copy it and return to the system. You'll enter your verification code, click Verify, and continue the process by entering in your password, your name, and your phone number. And that's it. You now have an account to access the Bell system and manage your alcohol licensing needs.